opposite song. Let us enjoy. Now I invite Kathinora to welcome the gathering.
Wait.
A very pleasant evening to all. I am profoundly joyous and honored to have the opportunity to welcome everyone present here today on this auspicious occasion. I take pride in welcoming our esteemed chief guest, Reverend Father Joseph Kennedy and Mr. Rajamurthy, whose presence makes this day more special. Hearty welcome, dear Father and Sir. I gladly welcome our loving correspondent, Reverend Father Ayodakila Swami, who has contributed a lot for our growth. Hearty welcome, Father. I deem it a great privilege to welcome our beloved principal sister, who is so dedicated and genuinely cares each one of us. Welcome, sister. I wish to welcome all our teachers, parents, and my colleagues. We all feel elevated by your presence. Once again, a welcome on it all. Thank you.